Alrighty, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Hump Day special. We got the second video coming. Another Amazon Prime unboxing. Hopefully you guys had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. Definitely been an interesting week. Too much craziness going on in the world. But today we have something special to show you guys. And you guys can get one at a low cost. Just click on the link down below. There we go. Boom. Very nice packaging. This is coming from my good friends over at GUSGU. I do believe how you pronounce it. Boom. Now this is the future of phone charging. For your iPhones. Look at this. Looks like a phone, but it's not. Tablets, cameras, possibly Nintendo Switches, PlayStation, PSPs, all that good stuff. Especially if you guys go camping. Projectors that would charge up. Oh, let me drop you guys down. Drop it down a little bit. There we go. Hopefully this comes out nice and easy. There we go. Cut, 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 cut. Boom. Oh boy, here we go. And like I said, the link's going to be down below. Check them out. Take advantage. Ooh, nice. Of the Amazon Prime fast shipping. Get it delivered in no time. Great for gifts. Stocking stuffers. There we go. Boom. Here's in Chinese language for you guys. Nice. And here's the side. This is the definitely really good to have. There we go. The future is here. Definitely excited for this. Here we go. Look at this. Boom, boom. Ooh, nice LED display. It's almost exactly like a cell phone. It's not too heavy. Definitely put in your pocket. Purse, wallets, fanny packs, if they still have those around. How do you turn this thing on though? Oh, this is the you can watch movies and stuff while your phone is charging. So that's really cool. Oh. Oh, there's my run. A little bit dirty. I gotta wipe the screen. Oh, there we go. 71% right now. I do got my phone on me. Give me 1 second. I'll show you what it could do. And like I said, all Androids, iPhones, Galaxies, I do believe the Notes. How does it charge at the same time? Oh, not sure if I'm, oh, this phone's completely dead, I forgot. Shoot. Galaxy 8. See, it fits it. Oh. This is my backup phone. Oops. I know it fits it. They had a list of phones that this is. Oh. Come on. There we go. Maybe just gently. Whoa. I guess not that gently. Come on. There we go. There we go. Gotta do my lock. There we go. to see it. We're grateful for watching videos while your phone's charging. Watch some Amazon Prime Video, Netflix. Play some games, get your wireless controller, and charge it like that. So if you're on an airplane, train ride, backseat of the automobile, this will be good. Your office. There we go. Nice size cable. USB. Not sure. This should fit the 8 Plus. Maybe not. But you get my drift. What it does, you just plug it in, charge it. I thought it was NFC. Maybe not. No. This is just normal USB charge, LED display. Just really nice. Like I said, it feels like almost like a phone. So easy to store, easy to take with you. Where did the switch go? There it is. Yeah, it's the inside of NFC reader. Nope. But like I said, phone, USB, hook it up. Ooh, dirty. There we go. And boom. Really nice. So check them out, XSHUAI, on Amazon Prime. Take advantage, fast shipping. And there you go, YouTubers. You guys be safe and have a good one. See ya.